Alright, Roman Scorpion here. Kind of limiting what I can do today. I had surgery a little over a week and a half ago, and kind of going easy, but I've had several people and in a company send me things to install on the bike and do a quick review on. I got a set of these extended guards that are going to sit behind these factory guards. I actually have a set of bars that are coming in that go off of the triple and over to the end. I was going to go with, the traditional bark busters and the like, but these were sent to me. They asked me to try them out. They're really thick, quite significantly thick, thicker than I expected, really. ABS type of plastic, and they're very stout. So I'm going to go ahead and try and throw these on right now. Give it a shot. See how that works out. Just going to pull these small screw off over here and see what type of difference these actually will make. I mean, they're significantly larger than, obviously, than the wind protection you're getting from these, and once I have the bars to go on there, that's going to make a bigger difference. I'm not gonna get overly crazy with all of this. I'm just needed to do something. Can't sit in the house nonstop. Surgery or not, you just can't. Needed to get out and do something. Just going to be short little project. See how this will do. I'm sure after this is over with, I'm going to be pretty much wiped out, but just have to do something different. Get out and stay active somewhat. I don't know how people actually say they retire and stay home and don't move and all of that. I could never do it. So, all right. Well, these seem straightforward enough. Let's just basically throw this one in place, get it in there, put the spacer back on. And we'll see if I can get these to swing up. There's not really much that holds these factories. All right, we got these guards that are going to go on behind the original OEM guards, extending it out a little bit. These were sent to me to try out. They swear by them. I've never tried them. I was just going to go with like a bark buster, but through recommendation and the like, it was worth trying these. And they suggested that I get the bars that go from the top of the triple clamp or top of the bar clamp that wrap around, going through these grooves and tying into the bar end weight. Others have suggested that I go ahead and put double-sided tape on the back or on the front of this to match up with the back of this. So I put a few strips on there, and I'm going to see how that works out. They said it just cuts down on the vibration and the rattling sound that you'll get, I guess. And I did have to get longer screws. Had to go from the 14 mil length to the 18 mil length, just to, I guess, because of the extra thickness of this and alike, just to kind of give me a little bit more reach on there. But we're gonna throw these on. These are factory BMW screws. They're just the longer version, and we'll see how these play out. Get this started a couple turns, then put the bar end weight in. And hold everything steady that way. That guy through there. This guy on here. And hold that in place. Put this guy on here, give this a little bit extra tightening. Run this in a little bit. I won't snug it up completely until I get the other side. That small screw snugged in a little bit more. So leave that there. One up in here. I found using a regular driver like this, you're less likely to over tighten and split plastic and all of that stuff. These are just small screws. No need to get overly complicated and all sorts of crazy with it. So everything seems to be nice and snug there. That's good enough. Now come on here. I know there's a torque spec for this. There's a torque spec for everything, but I'm not going to get overly crazy with it right now. This is just to see how it looks. You know, everything fits. That's good enough for right now. Yeah, you can see that does definitely bring it up quite a bit. When I go with the bar coming across, run through that groove and right up into here, I think that's going to make a huge difference as well. They are very snug. They do look pretty good. Does give you a lot more coverage. I think that overall, that'll kind of give me, I don't know, the look and the feel that I'm looking for. Something to give me a little bit more hand protection. I have caught in some rocks and debris and all of that from others in front of me and that type of thing, and cars on the road, that type of stuff. And this will just give me a little bit more protection, and in the rain a little bit more as well. But that's that. I did put my Wind Rider seat cover on. I have to say it definitely fits really well. Took a little bit of fiddling to get it snug up where I wanted it to, and wrap around far enough, but it's there. All of that seems to be really good. So other than that, I mean, I think that's pretty much it for right now. I may do a few other things in the next couple days or whatever. I would definitely like to thank Nelson Rig for giving me the coupon code for those of you guys that are watching the channel and alike. I use a lot of their gear. I have their small bags. I got tank bags. I got one that I use for a tool bag. I'm waiting for the tool roll to show up. I do have saddle bags as well. They're all part of the Rig Gear Adventure Hurricane series. They're watertight bags. They work great. I've been in massive downpours with them, through mud, through everything, not had an issue. I would definitely suggest them. All you have to do is just use Scorpion, all caps, and as a coupon code and checkout, and you'll get 25% off, anything 50 or more, and you should be good to go from there. But I'm glad to be offering that to you guys. I'm appreciative of Nelson Rig for offering it to me. I'm going to look at doing a few more things with their gear. I think I'm going to add the 60-liter bag and potentially the backpack as well to have with all of this for when I'm out on longer rides and stuff. But that's pretty much where we're at right now. Everything else seems to be good to go. I will be in another video changing out the single USB port for a double USB port. I just received it. I will be swapping that out very shortly. I may make a video of that or not. I'm not sure. I don't know if there's too many of those online already or not, but it's worth it. It doesn't hurt to have another one out there. So, alrighty, that's it for now. I appreciate everything. I'd like you to like and subscribe. Hit the bell notification and the like. You know, that just helps us be able to do more things for you guys, put up more videos and the like. And that's pretty much it for now. Ride safe, stay safe.